In this video, I'll show you how to change your LinkedIn notifications. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it too. So the first thing we're going to do is to open our LinkedIn page, and then you're going to click on notifications right here at the top. Once you do, on the left under manage your notifications, you're going to click on view settings. And right under notifications, this is where you can edit the notifications that you receive. For example, if you wish to receive alerts because you're currently searching for a job, you can click on this arrow and turn it on in case you have it turned it off. But if you're currently not looking for a job, you can simply turn them off, and that way LinkedIn won't email you every single day with a bunch of job opportunities. Same thing for all these options: hiring someone, connecting with others, network catch-up updates. You can turn all of these options on and off by simply clicking on the arrow right here and then toggling this option on or off. The great thing about LinkedIn is that you can select what notifications you want and which you want to simply turn off. So simply scroll through all these options, make your choice, and after you're done, you can simply go back to your home page and all these changes will be saved. Hope that helped.